In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the LEN function in Google Sheets. Now, this function has a simple function of counting how many characters exist in one cell. We're going to use that function in counting how many characters are in these example passwords that we're going to try and use and see if it passes the criteria of having at least 8 characters. Let's get to it. So we're going to start our formula with the equal sign, type in LEN, and select the text. Press enter, and you have there 7 characters for this password. So this one doesn't pass. Let's try and do that with the rest of our passwords. And as you see, some of them, only 3 of these passwords pass our criteria of having at least 8 characters. And that's one example of how to use the LEN. And that's one simple example of how to use the LEN function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.